All right, Grener battery. What's in the box? Got a manual here, warranty information. It's packed real nice. It's got all the foam insulation. Here we go. Got a little strap on this one. My smaller one has the plastic handles, but I kind of like that too. And there you have it. 12.8 volts, 100 amp hour battery. And this thing's light. Okay. In the pamphlet itself, take this out here real quick. Grener Power. So that's your product manual. Here's all the batteries you can choose from. I do have the Mini, which has been working out great, and I'll show you that. This is kind of more or less the in-between. I'll also get a measurement on there. You got a photo ID here. You can check out the website. RVs, boondocking, boating, solar, golf carts, and use the battery for any of that. Okay, and then they sent the product manual here. That's it, right? There it is. Let's get some information here. So the batteries. Here's your measurements. Some contents here. Basically what all the battery can do, what not to do. It's a nice little booklet with a lot of information. But before I use this, I do want to throw a charge on it. And it did come with the posts, which are right here. Right here, these are just plastic. So that plastic just comes off. And then we put the bolts in these. Okay, so let's get a charge going. Okay, put the terminals on here real quick. Okay, tighten them a little bit here. That's pretty good. Okay, and then we'll see what we got for voltage. Okay, what do we got here? We're at 13.2. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get a little closer. 13.2. So yeah, it's going to need a little bit of a charge. Okay, going to charge the battery here. Get some power. There we go. You can see that here, just kicked on. It's at 13.1, so we got a little ways to go as far as charging. Just wanted to check on my battery. Using the Grener 100 amp 12 volt battery. It's been powering my Forge RV cooler. It's at 35 degrees. Pretty packed full of food. Third day now. Just got it running direct. Let's see how it's doing. It's at 13.2. When I left the house it was 13.5. So I still got probably about 50% battery left in percentage. But it's been holding up great. It's not warm, nothing. It's been about 80 degrees environment. Working great. So that's it. Pretty happy. Hey, I'm just getting back from camping, which you'll see in a video coming soon. But I took out the new Grener Power Lithium Battery, and I was honored to have Grener Power want me to display their item and see how it worked out in the woods. And I did take their middle one. They did send me one like this once before. They sent me one like this, I'm sorry, they sent me one like this a few months ago. Did a review on that, and then they sent me the mid 100 amp 12 volt battery. They also go up another size up from there. But great for RVs, trolling motors, and in my case, using it in an Outlander where it doesn't take up a lot of room. I got a video on that as well, which worked out great for my kitchen setup. But I just want to show you the difference. Here's a standard lithium battery here, and you can see the size difference. I'll show you that. As you can see here, we're at 6.5 inches by 10, and in your standard is going to be 6.5 by 12, if I remember correctly, by 13. So by 13. And of course the mini is 9 by 5.5. And as far as coming out of the woods, I am at 13.3. I started out at 13.5. I just unhooked it from my cooler, and it's not warm or nothing. And I checked it periodically camping as well when it was an 80 degree element as far as weather. But I can't complain. These have worked out great. It's really cool how they come in different sizes. They have different technology with cells. But really happy with these batteries. They also have the BMS technology, so they don't overheat or detect coldness. They'll actually shut down and protect the battery or keep it from overcharging. But thank you to Grener Power for the batteries. Success. If it's something you want to look into it, check out the link below. It'll have all the information on them. Tons of information, actually. I'll leave an Amazon link you can check out there. It also helps out the channel, so thank you for that. If you have any questions, let me know. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.